Alright guys, time to talk about Tezos on the channel. I don't know if I've ever done a video on Tezos either. Today seems to be a lot of first, where I have Casper, now I got Tezos. I'm not sure guys. We have to take a look at Tezos because it's up about 56% at the moment. And today, it actually has had a mega bounce. Now look at the area that it's been trading for weeks. Basically since middle of April, guys. We've been in this zone and we've just, not been able to get out of the downtrend. Now today we have broken that. Right now we are fighting the $1.24 weekly resistance. And we have gotten rejected today off that $1.40. Basically you can see that in February and March we got rejected there as well. Now, I do want to point out that on the weekly time frame, the RSI is getting a bit high. So is the Stoke RSI. Now, if we take a look at the daily, same thing, guys. 4 hourly, yeah, the Stoke is starting to get up there, but the RSI is already up there, guys. So be careful if you want to trade XTZ, Tezos. And yeah, it might be in for a little bit of a cool off here in the short term. So yeah, I mean, if we take a look at Tezos on the candles here, I just want to take a look actually on the daily. That would be better, or even the weekly. Let me see the weekly, guys. Now, I think to get mega bullish on XTZ, we're going to have to break above the $1.40. That's for sure, guys. Tezos kind of has to prove itself right now and its strength, but a $1.90, that would take out really much of the trading that Tezos has really ever seen. It's basically consolidated, basically under about $1.90, guys. So yeah, I think after about $1.90, that's going to be really bullish. Now, we haven't seen anything $1.90 since May of 2022, so that's a really long time, guys. Now, taking a look at Tezos here, there is no max supply. Now, there's only about 1 billion of these coins out. So, and basically, circulating supply, it's almost equal to the total supply. So, who knows, I guess, if they're going to mint some coins. They don't have to. Now, keep in mind, for example, Solana, they also are unlimited max supply. And look where they are, guys. They're at like $240 at the moment. Now, Bitcoin at the moment, if we take a quick look here, it is basically having a very nice, week still, although it is coming down a little bit from earlier today. But yeah, we have reached about $92,500 just today. Right now we have a small green candle. Let's look at this on the daily time frame. That would be better. So we are in this bull flag still once again, guys. Now, like I said on Friday, we need to break above basically this $90,500. Right now, if you see, guys, we're right under it. So, we're back in the bull flag. I thought we were going to break out a little bit earlier, although we didn't do that. We still have plenty of time today. We still have something like, I don't know, 5 hours, 6 hours. Yeah, so we got time, guys. 5 hours, I believe. So let's see what we can do today. Now the target of this is about what, $100,000, $600 or $700. Now we're going to have a little bit of Fibonacci resistance up here at about $102,000 anyways. So I could see a scenario where we come up and we kind of, touch this Fibonacci a few times before we break through. Now, this is my second PC. My other PC at home, we have a target up at about 105,000. Now, that is the target. If let me put this on the weekly time frame to see it a little bit quicker. But that is the target of this big flag that we created over what, like 7 months, guys. So, short term, I can say about 100,700 is the target. And long term, about 105,000, which, long term right now, it could be days actually, because we're actually closer to $105,000 than we are going back down to where we came from at about $7,000, where we came about 10 days ago. So anyways, guys, Bitcoin still looking bullish. It's trying to break out of this pattern. I believe it will. You know, but yeah, it's just struggling a little bit. And you know, we still have what, a couple more days that we could spend in this triangle technically. So don't panic, guys. Now, the total crypto market cap, guys, still fighting this line here at about $3 trillion. But I do believe it's going to, you know, work its way over this mark. And, you know, I believe we're going to see probably 8, 10, maybe $12 trillion in the long term eventually, guys. So anyways, just have to wait and see. Nothing we can do. If you, well, actually you can keep buying and putting money in. That would, you know, put the market cap up, of course. But yeah, totally up to you on that. Now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, it still is going down. And actually, this is the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, it's coming down, guys. I mean, there's just one, you know, lower high just for what, since, I don't know, Wednesday, basically. So basically, the last 5 days, we are making lower highs all the way down. So this is good to see, guys. Take a quick look here at the Altseason Index. We're at a 41 once again, guys. It just seems like we're going between 39 and 41 the whole time. And that just seems like we've been doing that for, you know, a few days at least. So I'll be glad once we break above 50, because I do believe once we get above, you know, this 50, where we kind of double topped here recently, that we're going to pick up steam and go to altcoin season very quickly now. Yeah, so let's take a quick look at the fear and greed. That is an 83 today. Yesterday, extreme greed. But yeah, I think it's good to see this come down a little bit, maybe get back in the 70s or high 60s, because a lot of people will tell you that have been here a while, you don't want to spend too long up here, or you know, you're going to get burned, because eventually it's going to come crashing down. Now, you can spend a lot of time up here in extreme greed, but just not what we want to see usually. I want to talk about the best place to stake your XTZ. You can see here in Coinando that basically, if you type in XTZ, you can see that Gate offers you 37%, but I don't believe that. I do have mine staked in xt.com actually. And Bit2Me, be careful. You have to have their token in full to enjoy the full rewards, of course. But basically, it's up to you guys. I mean, you can stake this pretty much anywhere. There's not too bad of a percentage for Tezos. So, yeah, guys. Anyways, if you like this video about Tezos and Bitcoin, you know, give me a thumbs up, a like, and activate the bell. Share this with your friends, guys. We are over 500, you know, subscribers now. And yeah, I plan to make you guys more videos, of course, and probably start some live streams pretty soon. So yeah, thanks a lot for supporting the channel, guys.